When you see a visitor in your building, how do you know they're authorized to be there? Even if they're wearing a visitor badge, how can you tell they signed in today? Maybe this person was here before, or maybe they found a used badge outside. Our visitor badges can't be reused like that. That's because they come with expiring technology. This technology makes our visitor badges change color overnight. On the day they're issued, they look white. This tells you the visitor's ID badge is valid. But by tomorrow, a bright pink void image appears, making it easy to tell that whoever is wearing the badge hasn't signed in today. Most visitors won't try to reuse a voided badge and will sign in every time they come. Here's how it works. When a visitor signs in, you activate their badge by combining it with a special layer of expiring material. This begins the color changing process and can't be undone. We offer different kinds of expiring visitor badges. Each fits a specific need. Tab expiring badges are the simplest to use. They have a patented one-piece design to ensure proper activation. Just fold the tab behind the badge and it's ready to wear, until tomorrow. Full expiring badges are the most visible because the entire badge changes color. They comprise two pieces, front and back. Apply the white front piece to the red back piece to activate the color changing process. You can have your visitors wear this badge 3 convenient ways. They can stick it, clip it, or wear it with a lanyard. All formats expire overnight. Dot expiring badges are the most economical. They come already printed with a red expiring circle. At sign-in, you cover the circle with a white front piece dot. This serves 2 purposes. It validates the badge and activates the expiring process. If you already use visitor badges that don't expire, you can turn those into expiring badges by activating them with expiring dot sets, a white front piece dot and a red back piece dot. We've even added tab expiring technology to small stickers that show who has been screened today. The beauty of our expiring visitor badges is that you can use them even if you already have a visitor management system in place or have no system at all. These badges come on rolls to work with your current software program and printer. And they come in books for your visitors to sign themselves in. Our books are ideal for multiple entrances and in case your system goes down. All of our visitor badges have yet another advantage. Unlike ordinary labels, they are fabric friendly, which means they stay on better so your visitors remain identifiable. Valid today, void tomorrow. Our visitor badges let you know who has permission to be in your building and who does not, because security is built right in.
Barcode Factory is proud to carry the CAB line of printers and GHS certified ribbon and label supplies. Call or go online to speak to our barcode printing experts.